Welcome to Borishal Cadet College. I am S.M. Atikuraja, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College, Borishal. Boys, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Due to Corona pandemic, I could not take your class in your classroom. I have to take your class virtually. Coronavirus is like the flu. Children very rarely get sick, but it feels like a cold. Be careful and tell your parents or teacher if you don't feel good. Tell an adult or your teacher when you don't feel good, you have a cough, your head hurts. Now I am going to take your higher mathematics first paper class for class 11. Today's topic, the straight line from chapter 3b, learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about section formula. Section formula is used to determine the coordinate of a point that divides a line into two parts. This formula are two types. One is internal division, another is external division. Internal division. For this, at first, we draw a figure where this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Intersect at the point O. Here O is origin. The coordinates of P is x1, y1, and coordinates of Q is x2, y2. Let P and Q be 2 points and R xy be the point which divides the straight line PQ internally in the ratio PR ratio PQ equal to M1 ratio M2. Here PQ straight line R is on the point of PQ. PR ratio RQ equal to M1 ratio M2. We can write this equation in this form: PR by RQ equal to M1 by M2. It is required to find the point RXY. PN, QM, and RL are drawn perpendicular to OX. Here, PN, RL, QM are drawn perpendicular to OX from the points P, Q, and R. Also, RS, and QT are drawn perpendicular to PN, and RL respectively. Therefore, RS equal to ln. Here we write RS equal to ln. Now, ln equal to ON minus OL. ON minus OL. Here, ON that means x1, and OL that means x. For QT, we can write QT equal to ML, QT equal to ML, equal to OL minus OM. Now, OL equal to X and OM equal to X2. So finally, QT equal to X minus X2. Now, PS equal to Pn minus Sn. Pn minus Sn. Here Sn equal to RL. So finally we can write Ps equal to y1 minus y. RT equal to RL minus TL. That means RL minus QM. Finally, we can write RT equal to y minus y2. Here triangle PRS and RQT are similar to each other. So RS here triangles PRS and RQT are similar. Here PRS and RQT are similar to each other. Now we can write RS by QT. Here RS by QT, PS by RT, PR by RQ, PR by RQ. Putting value of RS, QT, PS, RT, PR and RQ, we get x1 minus x by x minus x2 equal to y1 minus y by y minus y2 equal to m1 by m2. Taking first and third term, we can write x1 minus x by x minus x2 equal to m1 by m2. After calculating, we can write m1x minus m1x2 equal to m2x1 minus m2x. From this, we can write m1 plus m2 into x equal to m2 x1 plus m1 x2. So finally we get the value of x, which is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y1 minus y by y minus y2 equal to m1 by m2. Here we write from this equation taking second and third term. After calculation, we can write y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Whereas for internal revision, finally we can write the coordinate of r is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now for external revision, at first we draw this figure where this is x-axis and this is y-axis, which intersect at the point O. Let Rxy be the point on which divides the straight line PQ externally in the ratio PR ratio QR equal to M1 ratio M2. Here PR ratio QR equal to M1 ratio M2. The coordinates of P x1 y1, the coordinates of Q x2 y2, the coordinates of R x y. From this we can write PR by QR equal to M1 by M2. Therefore RS equal to NL, that means OL minus ON. So finally RS equal to x1 minus x. For RT, we can write RT equal to NM equal to OM minus ON, whereas OM equal to X2, ON equal to X. So finally RT equal to X2 minus X. For PS, we can write PL minus SL. That means PL minus SL. SL equal to Rn. So finally we can write PS equal to Y1 minus Y. For QT, we can write QM minus TM. That means QM minus Rn. So finally QT equal to Y2 minus Y. Was triangles PRS, PRS and RQT are similar to each other. So we can write RS by PS equal to RT by QT equal to PR by QR. Here RS by PS, RT by QT, PR by QR. Putting the value of RS, PS, RT, QT, PR, and QR, we can write x1 minus x by x2 minus x equal to y1 minus y by y2 minus y equal to m1 by m2. Taking first and third term, we can write x1 minus x by x2 minus x equal to m1 by m2. After calculation, we can write m2 minus m1 into x equal to m2 x1 minus m1 x2. Finally, we get the value of x, which is m2 x1 minus m1 x2 by m2 minus m1. And taking second and third term, we can write y1 minus y by y2 minus y equal to m1 by m2. From this, we can write y equal to m2 y1 minus m1 y2 by m2 minus m1. So boys, finally for external division, we get the coordinates of R is m2 x1 minus m1 x2 by m2 minus m1, comma m2 y1 minus m1 y2 by m2 minus m1. Now we solve some problem based on this theorem. Find the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 7, 7 and -5, -10. Find the abscissa of the point of division. Let the x-axis divide the line segment joining the given points in the ratio k ratio 1. So the coordinates of the point of division are -5k plus 7 by k plus 1, comma -10k plus 7 by k plus 1. Since the point is on the x-axis, its coordinate is 0. From this, we can write -10k plus k 7 by k plus 1 equal to 0. After calculation, we can write -10k plus 7 equal to 0. From this, we can write k equal to -7 by -10. So k ratio 1 equal to 7 ratio 10. So the x-axis divides the straight line joining the given points in the ratio 7 ratio 10. Again, the abscissa of the point of division equal to -5 into 7 by 10 plus 7 by 7 by 10 plus 1. From this, we can write -35 plus 70 by 10 by 7 plus 10 by 10. After calculation, we can write 35 by 17. This is our required answer. Another problem. Coordinates of the point of the extremities of a diagonal of a parallelogram are 3, -4 and -6, 5. If the third vertex is -2, -1, find the coordinates of the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. At first, we draw this figure where the coordinates of A, B, C, D are given. Let the vertices of the parallelogram be A, -2, -1, -2, -1, B, 3, -4, C, x, y, and D, -6, 5. So the middle point of the diagonal BD equal to 3 minus 6 by 2, -4 plus 5 by 2. After calculation, we can write -3 by 2. From this, we can write half. And the middle point of the diagonal SC, of the diagonal AC, x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by 2. Since the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, the points -3 by 2, half, and x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by 2 are same. So from this, we can write x minus 2 by 2 equal to -3 by 2. After calculation, we can write x minus 2 equal to -3. That means x equal to -1. And y minus 1 by 2 equal to half. Y minus 1 equal to 1. That means y equal to 2. Finally, we get the coordinates of the fourth vertex of the parallelogram are -1, 2. This is the fourth vertex, which is -1, 2. Another problem, coordinates of the points A and B are respectively -2, 4 and 4, -5. AB is produced up to C such that AB equal to 3BC. Find the coordinates of C. From this, at first we draw this figure where A -2, 4, B 4, -5. The coordinate of C is xy. Given that AB equal to 3BC, we are given AB equal to 3BC. From this, we can write AB by BC equal to 1 by 3. B divides SC, internally in the ratio 3:1. So the coordinates of B, using internal division formula, we can write 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 1, 3y plus 4 by 3 plus 1. According to the question, 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 3x minus 2 equal to 16. 3x equal to 18. If we divide this equation by 6 by 3, then we get x equal to 6. And 3y plus 4 by 3 plus 1 equal to -5. 3y plus 4 equal to -20. 3y equal to -24. If we divide this equation by 3, we can write y equal to -8. So the coordinate of C is 6 minus 8. 6, -8. This is our required answer. Coordinate of two of the vertices of a triangle are 2, 7 and 6, 1. Its centroid is 6, 4. Find the coordinates of the third vertex. Let the coordinates of the third vertex x, y. Here we find this coordinate. Here the point A 2, 7, B 6, 1, centroid 6, 4. Centroid of the triangle, we can write 2 plus 6 plus x by 3, 7 plus 1 plus y by 3. According to the question, 2 plus 6 plus x by 3 equal to 6 because the coordinate of x is 6 here. From this, After calculation, we can write x plus 8 equal to 18. That means x equal to 10. Similarly, this is equal to 4. From this, we can write y plus 8 equal to 12. That means y equal to 4. So finally, the coordinates of the third vertex, that means C, x comma y equal to 10 comma 4. This is our required answer. Find the ratio in which the x-axis and the y-axis divide the straight line joining the points 2, minus 4 and minus 3, 6. The points A 2, minus 4, B minus 3, 6. At first, we draw the figure. P divides AB internally in the ratio K ratio 1. So the coordinate of P equal to K into minus 3 plus 1 into 2 by K plus 1, comma K into 6 plus 1 into minus 4 by K plus 1 using internal division formula. From this, after calculation, we can write minus thrice K plus 2 by K plus 1, comma 6K minus 4 by K plus 1. If the points lies on x-axis, then 6K minus 4 by K plus 1 equal to 0. We write this. From this, we can write 6K minus 4 equal to 0. From this, we can write K equal to 4 by 7, 6. So K equal to 2 by 3. Hence, K ratio 1 equal to 2 ratio 3. If the points lies on x-axis, then 3K minus plus 2 by K plus 1 equal to 0. That means 3K minus 3K plus 2 equal to 0. K equal to minus 2 by minus 3. That means K equal to 2 by 3. So the ratio K ratio 1 equal to 2 ratio 3. Finally, the ratio in which the x-axis and the y-axis divide the straight line joining the points 2, minus 4 and minus 3, 6 are 2 ratio 3 and 2 ratio 3. We get the required answer. Homework 1. The straight line AB is trisected at the point P 3, 3 and Q 8, 5. Find the coordinates of A and B. If 5, 0, 9, 4 are endpoints of a diagonal of a square, determine endpoints of another diagonal. Boys, coronavirus has stopped our life. Follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when sneeze or cough. Try to keep distance, avoid public gathering, and try to follow the rules of World Health Organization. Thank you.